you had to look, I know the real answer is every part of the sales process, but if you had to pick one part of the sales process where having a script would have the most impact, is it in prospecting? Is it in qualifying? Is it in going for a close? Where do you see it having the biggest impact if you had to identify just one area? I know the answer is the entire sales process, but if you had to break it down to one, what would it be?
If I had to break it down to one, and it's very hard to do, I would say it would be during the demo and the presentation stage where scripting is so important to be able to get buy-in throughout the process, to do check-ins, use tie-downs, use trial closes. I would say that has the most impact. However, you can't close an unqualified lead.
Sure.
So the qualifying process is still so very important. Because again, if I don't have a qualified lead, doesn't matter how good my product or service is or the presentation is, if they're not qualified, they're not buying. If I don't understand the buying motives, then I can't speak to them. So, but again, if you have to nail me down, I'm going to tell you on the close.